My name is Lauro. I'm the site superintendent at Pears. I'd like to give you an update as to what's happening. As you can see, the site is still, I call it naked, because we are still excavating. We still got almost another 8 to 10 meters to go, which will take us to the underside of the RAS lab. That's the old foundation that was here. They're actually quite big. What you see there is the transition between the contaminated soil and the native material. We are cleaning up the site from the contaminants. Anything that contaminates the soil, brick, ashes, concrete. You'll find a whole bunch of old bottles. And it's being hauled to a special dump. The site is continuously being dewatered, which means that we are lowering the water table. You see the pipes? They go all the way down past where the water table is right now. And the water is continuously being sucked out by pressure pumps. And then from there it's pushed out into the city sanitary. Goodbye. I'll see you next time.